What you'll need is chickpea flour, water, basil, onion powder, salt, and cayenne. So I start off by putting the flour and the water in the bowl and just mix those two together before adding the rest of the ingredients. Then I'll go ahead and mix them all together again. I'll set the stove to medium and lightly oil the pan. When the pan gets hot, then I'll add the mixture. When it solidifies on the bottom, you can go ahead and flip it. It does not have to be perfect, after all we're making scrambled eggs here, so go ahead and just rip it apart. It's starting to look like eggs already. Taste it. If it needs more salt, just add some more. So not only do these look like eggs, they really taste like them. I was surprised and shocked. So you can pair this with pretty much anything. Here I paired it with some yuca and some tomatoes, and it turned out really delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. God bless. Bye bye.